Hey everybody, guess what? It's Action 5 and Mr. George Gray here. We're heading into Shin Falls and we're almost there. I decided to shoot this video now, kind of do it backwards. So I want you to see what I see and enjoy it. So he's already down here. So we're getting in. You can hear the falls. Alright, so we're exploring today. I've never been here, he's never been here, so oh, he's over here. So let's go over, come along. What do you think, George? Pretty cool?
I think personally think it's a small start up there.
Oh, okay. Well, then we're just gonna alright folks, there we go. Curl it up, curl it out, get a chance to look. Mr. George, he goes down there and we'll check it out a little bit, so we'll be back to you. Okay, bye.